Hi everyone, welcome to our latest video on top Android apps in 2025 for productivity. These apps will help you stay organized, manage tasks, and boost efficiency like never before. 1. Evernote. Best note-taking app. Take notes effortlessly with AI-powered search. Organize ideas, create to-do lists, and store documents. Voice and image note-taking for convenience. 2. Todoist. Ultimate Task Manager. Manage tasks effectively with smart suggestions. Set recurring reminders and track progress. Collaborate with teams for better productivity. 3. Microsoft Office. All-in-one work suite. Create and edit documents on the go. Cloud synchronization with OneDrive. AI-assisted writing and editing tools. 4. Google Keep. Quick note-taking and reminders. Color-coded notes for easy organization. Voice-to-text functionality. Seamless integration with Google Assistant. 5. Trello. Best for team collaboration. Visual task management with Kanban boards. Track progress and assign tasks easily. Integrate with Slack, Google Drive, and more. 6. Forest. Stay focused and avoid distractions. Gamified focus sessions. Grow a tree while working. Reduces phone distractions effectively. Helps plant real trees worldwide. 7. Notion. Best all-in-one workspace. Notes, databases, and tasks all in one app. Customizable dashboards for personal and team use. AI-powered document editing and templates. 8. Pocket. Save articles for later reading. Save and read articles offline. Text-to-speech feature for hands-free reading. AI-powered content recommendations. 9. Grammarly Keyboard. AI-powered writing assistant. Improves grammar, spelling, and tone. Works across emails, messages, and reports. AI-based suggestions for clarity and style. 10. Google Calendar. Best for scheduling. Smart scheduling with AI reminders. Syncs with Gmail and Google Meet. Customizable event reminders. Boost your productivity with these must-have apps. Which app do you use the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.